Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set up your profile on Twitter. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the profile icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Tap on Profile, which is the first option, and click on Set up Profile at the top of the screen in the right side. You should pick a profile picture. Tap on the plus icon in the middle of the screen. Here you should click on Select Photos and allow access to all photos, or you can also skip this aspect by tapping on the Skip for Now button down below. As you can see, you can pick a header by tapping on the Upload section. But first you need to allow Twitter to access your gallery. So you should go to your settings, tap on Privacy, click on Photos and set Twitter to On. But you can also skip this step as well. The next step is creating your bio. So you should type in something that describes yourself. So it should be a short introduction. Type in anything that you want to. Tap on the button Next. Here you should also select your username. There are recommended ones down below, but you can also make up your own. Tap on the button Next. You should indicate your location. Click on Next. And as you can see, your profile is now updated. So here you can see your username, your bio, your location, when you have joined, and so on. So if you want to edit your profile anytime, tap on the Edit button. And here you can select these information and change them and update them anytime. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.